Welcome back to the channel. I'm Jay Malone. Today I've got some drone footage for you. We're taking the drone in the air so you can get a different look at someone baling hay. If you're new to the channel and you enjoy photography, drones, technology, and other related things, then start off by hitting that subscribe button. When you do, tap the little bell icon next to it. That way you won't miss anything. Okay, so this intro that you're seeing here, this was actually all shot several days ago, right after I'd done this drone footage, and something happened to my intro and outro, so I'm re-recording all of this several days later now. And actually, several months ago, I talked to Mike Townsend from Mike Townsend Farms, and I told him that I would like to get some drone footage of him baling hay. And me and him both kind of forgot about it until a few days ago when he called and said, "I'm baling hay today, and it's probably going to be the last time this year." So I grabbed the drone, went out to fly to get some drone footage for you. But here's the deal. If you like this, leave me a comment down below, because I spoke with Mike and he said that maybe next year we can actually get some footage of him cutting, of him raking the hay, baling, kind of the whole works. So yeah, leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you'd like to see that kind of footage. I'd actually never seen anyone baling hay up close like this. Mike was baling round bales, and I was really surprised at how fast he could actually go through the field. He told me that he was going, I think, 7 or 8 miles per hour through the field picking up this hay. And I thought it was pretty cool to see this baler kind of start spitting out the hay bales. And even though it's pretty cool, it's not a perfect process. Mike was disappointed because one of the bales kind of fell apart. If you pay close attention during the video, you'll see that bale out there in the middle of the field. It's not as perfect as the others, and that's what happened. Let's roll this drone footage for you so you can take a look. that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit that thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. And leave me a comment down below. Would you like to see more footage, kind of the whole process of cutting the hay, of raking the hay, and baling the hay? If this is something you'd like to see, let me know in the comments below. And if you want to see some more of my videos, click over here. And if for some reason you're not already subscribed to this channel, then click on my face in the little circle subscribe icon right below this video. That'll get you subscribed. Thanks for liking, commenting, and subscribing. And until next time, God bless.